Okay, the next example in section 2.5 that we're going to look at is to graph a linear inequality using the x and y intercepts. And we've already talked about this for inequalities, or for equations. Now we're going to graph by finding the two intercepts. So, to begin with, we're going to talk about finding the x-intercept. And as we did in an earlier section in this unit, we put 0 in for y. So if I take 0 and put it in for y in my inequality, I will get 2x plus 3 times 0 is greater than 6. 3 times 0 cancels out, and I get 2x is greater than 6. And if I divide both sides by 2, I get x is greater than 3. Or actually, we're going to pretend it's an equal sign, so my x-intercept is equal to 3. So I'm just going to write this down on here. So my x-intercept is 3, 0, to remember that. And I'm going to erase my work. And now we are going to find the y-intercept. And we all know from earlier in this unit, we put 0 in for x. And so I'm going to rewrite my inequality with 0 in for x. And of course, 2 times 0 cancels out, and I get 3y is greater than 6. And I get y is greater than 2. And again, I'm going to pretend this is equal. So 2 is my y-intercept. And so my intercept is at the point 0, 2. So now I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to draw my graph. And if you want to pause the video and do this on your own, you sure can. But I've got my coordinates. 3, 0 is the x-intercept. 0, 2 is the y-intercept. So there's my coordinates. Now I can draw my line, but again, since it's inequality, I have to look at the symbol. The symbol is greater than, which means my line needs to be dotted. And finally, I need to test one point. And since 0, 0 is not on the line, I'm going to, on the boundary line, I'm going to put 0, 0 in for x and y. So I get 2 times 0 plus 3 times 0 is greater than 6. Does that form a true statement? Well, 2 times 0, 0, 3 times 0, 0, which gives us 0 greater than 6. That is false, which means the test point 0, 0 is not on the graph, which means I need to shade the other side. And that is graphing an inequality using the two intercepts.